These 7 credit cards. Instant approval, no credit check. 1. Problem of hard inquiries. Every credit card denial lowers your score because most issuers run a hard inquiry. More than 6 inquiries in a year can cause repeated score drops. Pre-qualification with a soft pull avoids this damage and shows potential approval before the lender runs a final hard check. 2. How soft pull approval works. A soft pull shows if you qualify without hurting your score. Only after accepting terms and finalizing your card does the issuer run a hard pull. This method protects your score from blind application declines. 3. Card option 1, Fortiva. Unsecured card. Instant decision. Soft pull pre-check. Credit limits up to $1,000. Includes free score access and fraud protection. 4. Card option 2, Mission Lane. Soft pull pre-check. Automatic limit increases after 6 months of on-time payments. Straightforward approval process. 5. Card option 3, Indigo. Soft pull pre-check. Simple approval option for damaged credit. No rewards or upgrade features. Basic tool to rebuild payment history. 6. Card option 4, Credit One. Soft pull approval. Multiple card tiers. Credit line reviews for limit increases. Options for rebuilding to average and strong credit. 7. Card option 5, Capital One. Soft pull pre-approval. Extensive product range for every credit tier. Secured option available if credit is deeply damaged. Higher tier cards unlock with good payment performance. 8. Core strategy. Check soft pull pre-approval first. Accept only if approved. Let the final hard inquiry be paired with an actual card approval, not a denial. 9. Key protection reminder. Do not apply blindly. Pre-qualify first. Only finalize terms when the card fits your rebuild plan and offers clear upgrade potential.